Introducing to you the new piece for my desk. Give it a thumbs up. My wife would appreciate it. What's going on, guys? David here with you. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about this GE front load wash machine and replacing the belt. The complaint on this machine was that the washer is no longer spinning, so I arrived, walked in, opened up the door, give the tub a spin, realized that the tub was spinning freely, so then I knew that there's a possibility we needed the belt. Hopped back there, saw that the belt had shredded off, torn up, no longer on there, so we ordered the belt, got the belt put on, got it taken care of. Let me walk you through this job. This is the part number to the belt that I installed on this particular unit. Always go online and plug in your model number and look for the part number that matches your particular model number. So now let's hop in the back and let me show you how to remove this back panel. There's 4 screws you want to remove. So one located here is a Phillips head screw. The next one is going to be located down right below it here. And this panel has grooves that's down here at the bottom that you just want to give it a little tug and pull out. There's also another screw located here, and there's one more down here at the bottom, 4 in total Phillips head screws, and then you want to give this plate a little tug and you'll be able to remove it. I've already been in this unit. There was another little piece of the belt remaining, but I took it with me. What you're going to do is take the belt, and here I was just double checking, seeing how everything was, making sure everything was spinning properly. And so now I'm going to put the belt over the motor drive, the motor pulley there, and then I'm going to slowly work it around the big pulley here. Eventually I'm going to do it with both hands, but you get the gist of what I'm doing here and how to work it on. Here was some of the part of the other belt. Like I said, it takes a little bit of time. Be careful, watch your fingers. You can get caught. And here I'm adjust the belt on the pulley. You want to make sure that I was centering everything up. Make sure I had everything lined up. You could take it and slowly spin it and pull it with your fingers and do it with your hands. You can take it and kind of in a squeezing motion, pull it towards the center and make sure you get it lined up. But I appreciate you guys. Hope this video is helpful. If this is your first time here, leave me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. That's how you support my channel. It really helps me out. But this is David with DC Appliance Repair, and I'll see you guys in the next video.